Hi guys, thanks for checking out my first video with a music production quick tip. Thank you for all the really nice responses, and I will keep making these videos to help you guys become better music producers. So, this first tip is about melodies. So, sometimes when you're producing a melody in your track, you want to create some variations of the melody. And you can do it through MIDI, of course, but you can also do it sonically. So the melody stays the same, but you create different characteristics of the sound so that it becomes, it sounds more interesting. The track I'm working with is one that I'm currently working on. I'm in Berlin, so it sounds a little bit like, well, like this. So, the thing I want to focus on is the melody. In this case, there is a melody that's being played on Omnisphere synth, one of my favorites. I take a sound shifter from Waves and create two tracks below the original track. So, this is number one, sound shifter low and sound shifter high. And then I send the signal of the melody to these two tracks. What that does is, for instance, with the low sound shifter, it creates this interesting, octave below the original melody, but it also gives it a little bit of sonic something, like a little digital cracky distortion thing that I like. So we can do that again with the sound shifter set 12 semitones above the frequency of the melody, which sounds like that. Those are three stages of the same sound that we can use throughout the track. So in this case, I want to start with the normal melody, and then after 8 bars, I want to introduce the low version of the sound, and then after 16 bars, when we go into this pink section over here, I want to add the high version of the sound. Let's see how that goes. Of course, it's cool at the end of a break to use an effect like a ping pong delay on one of the layers to add some necessary sparkle. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you think. Subscribe below if you want. Let me know if there are any questions, and I will upload another video next week. For now, be creative and see you next time. Bye!